avoided proclaiming in an extraordinary manner dogmas affected by the mark of infallibility." End quote. This speech is quoted a lot by those who want to remain under Antipope Paul VI, while not accepting the heresies of Vatican II. The answer is simply that Antipope Paul VI's statement in 1966 is irrelevant. He had already closed the council in 1965. His statement in 1966 had no bearing on what he had already approved, decreed, and established by his so-called apostolic authority in 1965. But why then would he make such a statement? The answer is simple. Being fully under the power of the devil, Antipope Paul VI knew that by making such a statement, he could convince his subjects who had problems with Vatican II to still accept him as a pope. They would still accept him as a pope, he hoped, despite the heresies of Vatican II, because they thought that it wasn't dogmatic. It was a brilliantly diabolical ploy. However, this ploy is blown to pieces when we reconsider the fact that the magisterium is irreformable. This means that if Antipope Paul VI was a true pope, the decrees of Vatican II were infallible and irreformable from the close of the council December 8, 1965. Nothing said in January of 1966 could reform the decrees of Vatican II or make them non-infallible, for it was already too late. By the way, in the same general audience of January 12, 1966, Antipope Paul VI stated the following, quote, "The council gave its teaching the authority of the supreme ordinary magisterium." End quote. This part of the speech is almost never quoted by the defenders of Antipope Paul VI because they know that the teaching of the supreme ordinary magisterium is infallible, which means that even this general audience